Hello, and welcome to another Danfoss Product Store tutorial. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use one of the many drive configurators that corresponds with your portfolio in the product store. Also, we will show you how to use the low voltage drive filters to find your drive's product fast and easy. To begin, navigate to your home screen. Then, click on the Drives button at the top of the page. Next, click on Drives Configurators. You will be directed to your portfolio of Drive Configurator products. Locate the product you wish to configure and click on Start Configuration. Once you've made it into the configurator for that product, you can insert a dedicated Danfoss type code into the model code box at the top of the page. Once you insert the code, click on the Apply button to the right. You will now see your drive configured if you scroll through the configuration section. Net pricing will also populate at the bottom of the page. Of course, you can always make changes to any selections by choosing the different options in the configurator, and your pricing will change along with it. If at any time you need to start over, click on the button labeled Reset Configuration. Once you are done with your configuration and are ready to continue, click on the button labeled Review Configuration. This will bring you to the product details page where you can review your finalized product and move forward with placing it in your cart for quoting and ordering. Of course, if you don't have a dedicated type code for one of our products and want to configure everything yourself, make your way back to the product configurator. We recommend moving through the configurator in order for the best experience. Once you have made your selections and are ready to continue, click on Review Configuration, which will prompt you to the product details page in which you can add to your cart. Next, let's talk about the low voltage drive filters that will help you find your dedicated Danfoss product fast and easy. To begin, navigate back to your home screen. Then, click on the Drives button at the top of the page. Next, click on Low Voltage Drives. You will be directed to your product portfolio and can choose which product you want to filter on. Once you choose the product you want to filter, you will then be directed to the product filtering page and can begin narrowing down your search. To do so, locate the filtering pane on the left side of the page. As you make your selections, you will notice that the filtering offers will change in real time based on what you choose. It will help you find established Danfoss part numbers based on your selections. On the right-hand side of the page, product information will appear, along with dedicated pricing and the ability to add it right to your cart. You can always scroll back to the top of the filtering pane and reset all filters to start over. This concludes the video on drive configurators and low voltage filtering in the product store. Please stay tuned for more helpful videos on the Danfoss product store to optimize your quoting and buying experience.